Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to bookmark a web page in Chrome browser. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up a Chrome browser, let's say for instance, I want to go ahead and open up a particular website. Like for instance, I want to open CapCut as a website, CapCut.com as a website, then CapCut.com and hit enter. So just like so, let's say for instance, this particular website here, I want to bookmark it. So how do you do that? First thing first, what you want to do here is to simply click on these three dots from the corner top right here. So click on that. And after you click on that, this is going to drop down right here. And the next thing you want to do is to simply come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on this star icon right here. So click on that. And this is going to drop down right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on here. Then it take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on mobile bookmark. So click on that. Now you have different ways by which you can mark your web page. So you can either bookmark into mobile bookmark or bookmarks bar or other bookmarks as the case may be. So in this tutorial, I'm going to put it in bookmark bar. So go ahead and select bookmark bar, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on move here. Then you are done. You can see now that I have my bookmark bar to be 20 items right here. Okay, so if I open up the bookmark bar, then you're going to see it's now 20, and we have everything in right here. Now let's go back to the home page right here and go back right here. Now let's say for instance I want to have access back to this particular website after a successful bookmark. So I'm going to go ahead and close this tab now, and then I'll click create a new tab, and I want to have access back to the bookmark web page. So I will have to click on these three dots right here. Then you go ahead and click on these three dots from the top corner. Then you want to make sure you click on bookmarks. Then you want to make sure you click on bookmark bar. Then you can easily take a look at the web page that you bookmark. So here we go, we have it right here. So from here, I can easily return back to the web page. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.